All right, so this is a different type of a problem here. It gives you a little bit of a different situation, and they also have it in a coordinate plane. So the first thing I like to do is I like to just choose my points and I label them out. So this is at 30 for the x and 10 for the y, and I'm going to call this my x1, y1. And then I've got my b over here, and I need to label that as well. So it's a negative 40, negative 30, and this is my x2, y2. So the question asked is they want to know how far they travel from platform B to C, so how far is it? And then they said each grid unit represents 1 meter. So we have to go ahead and we have to look at that and, decide how far it is. So basically what we're going to do here is the distance formula, and that's where d is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 squared. So all I have to do is plug in the pieces now. So d is equal to the square root. Give me a second just to get this set up. And I do this with colors just to help everybody out. So it's x2, which is negative 40, y2, which is negative 30. And then I had x1, which is 30, and y1, which is 10. So all I have to do now is just continue solving it. So negative 40 minus 30 is negative 70 squared. Negative 30 minus 10 is negative 40, and that's going to be squared. So the distance is equal to these added together. So distance is equal to the square root of 6500, which, if I wanted to complete that, 6500, take the square root of it, and that's 80.6. And we'll just call that meters. So it's 80.6 meters to go from here to there. All right, that's it for today. Make sure you do your practice problems. They are linked on the lesson plan. Hope you had a great time.